Hello, welcome to Andre Craft Show. Today's video I will share with you how I made this beautiful rose bud here. See these? Important materials that you're gonna need to achieve these rose buds is you have to have this stuff here. This is a stuffing one. If you have an old pillow, you can take that out from your old pillow, but you can buy this one in any craft store that you have there. The rest is the same: hooks, which is 2 mm, and a scissor, and of course a yarn. So to start, make a magic ring or magic circle and make 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tighten it, insert in the first single crochet, chain 1, and then we'll increase. So 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, so total of 10 single crochet. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, slip stitch, chain 1. Now we will increase it to 15. So what you're gonna do, single crochet in the first stitch, and the second stitch you do increase. So increase means 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. Repeat, 1 single crochet, increase, that's 3, 1 single crochet, increase, 1 single crochet, increase, that's 12, 1 single crochet, and then increase. That makes it 15 single crochet. Again, slip stitch, chain 1. We will do an increase in each stitch, so it means 2 single crochet in each stitch. So you must have a total of 30 single crochet. So do that one, increase in each stitch, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now you do slip stitch and then chain 1. We will repeat 30 single crochet, so no increase happened, just single crochet. Two, 3, 27, 28, 29, 30. You make it right. Now slip stitch. This time we will do an increase. So what you're gonna do, single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and do the decrease on the next 2 stitches. So here's how you decrease. So that's 4. All right, so repeat 1, 2, 3, and then decrease. You must have 24 single crochet in total. Again, 1, 2, 3, decrease, 1, 2, 3, decrease, 1, 2, 3, decrease, and then 1, 2, 3, decrease. So that's 24 in total. So now you're gonna do slip stitch again and then chain 1. Repeat this without decrease. So you must have 24 single crochet all the way around. 1, 2, 21, 22, 23, 24. So slip stitch again, chain 1. So by the way, if you are a beginners, please always put a stitch mark here so you don't get confused where you end. I already know, but like I've said, if you are a beginners, just make sure you put every slip stitch and chain 1 a marker so you know where to slip stitch again once you finish every round. So this time we will decrease again. So what you're gonna do, single crochet 1, 2, and then in the 3rd and 4th you do the decrease. Repeat 1, 2, and then decrease. You must have 18 single crochet in total. Again, I'll repeat 1, 2, decrease, 1, 2, decrease, 1, 2, decrease, and then 1, 2, decrease. So that's 18. We'll do a slip stitch again and then chain 1. You see it already formed into something like a cone. So repeat this 18 single crochet, no increase because you already have 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 16, 17, 18. Again, slip stitch and then chain 1. Okay, you must have like this. This time we will go decrease again one more time, I guess. So we'll see. 1, hold on, okay, here 1 and then decrease, 1 single crochet, decrease, repeat this one like 12 times. I mean, you must have 12 single crochet. Okay, so again and then decrease, one last time, one more time, So now I'm gonna slip stitch, and before I will continue, I will now put that stuffing thing for this, so I won't be struggling later once this one is getting smaller, the hole. So just put all this stuff inside. You can add more if you want it very tight, but later we need to adjust this one. So this one is enough for me. Let's continue just single crochet again. It means you should have 12 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 9, 10, 11. By the way, make sure you don't pull that white stuff, huh? 11, 12. So slip stitch, chain 1. So now we will just do decrease in all these stitches. So you should have 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry. Slip stitch, chain 1. Now, because it's almost already nothing here, you just have to decrease one last round. So it means there should be 3 single crochet when you decrease. So decrease one more time. This is gonna be a little tricky, but it's alright. Just remember that you have 3 single crochet. This is 1, and then 2, 3. See? Do not chain 1, but instead slip stitch here, and then chain 1. Cut the yarn. Your rosebud is ready. Just massage it like this way, so those stuff will come up here on the side. If you already have a sepals which is ready, you can just put like this, and then, well, my sepals is not finished yet, so just to show you how the sepals and this rosebud will connect. So it's just like that. So that's it. I hope you like this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, and please stay safe everyone, and God bless us all. Bye bye.